today we'll talk about how can you disable location on your RetailMeNot app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in verse, you just go down, click here on account down here. Then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this. Then you click here on settings, you just click on it here. You come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. You come to location here, click in this sign or this color. Like you see color here, it's gone, that's mean location it's disabled with us now here. So that's all you have to do to disable your location. Like you see it's disabled with us now here. You click here on permission here. So then you click on location. You click here on don't allow. So then it's going to disable with you here automatically on your app. So that's all you have to do. That's all. I wish you I get it. So thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.